Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the Legendary Ladies Goddess deck by Ann Shen. So I'm kind of excited. This is Chronicle Books Publishing, $16.95 retail, and this is a brand new release as well. So 58 goddesses to empower and inspire you. Creativity, love, balance, courage, reinvention. Tap into your inner strength with this empowering deck of 58 goddesses from beloved artist Ann Shen. The cards feature colorful portraits of female deities from around the world, and the accompanied booklet describes how you can invoke their unique powers in your own life. Select a goddess based on your needs, pull a card, and let fate guide you, or do a full reading to discover what the universe has in store. These legendary ladies will lead you toward your ultimate destiny. All right, so as we kind of saw, it comes open from the bottom there with a cute little ribbon. So let's go ahead and have a look. First of all, look at how cute that packaging is. I love it. Very cool. So I'm hoping it's going to be very diverse. From the looks of it, it looks like it will be. All right. Oh, how cute. Look at the back of the cards. Match the inside. Oh, cute. Okay. So as I organize, let's grab the good old scissors here and try not to ruin the deck as I open up. Haha. Okay. So we're gonna watch me struggle for a second. But I love that they are shrink wrapped, because that means you know if the cards were tampered with. Okay, so before we get into the cards, let's take a look at this little book here. So 58 cards. It does look like it goes into a little bit of each card. Oh, we have a lot of spreads. That is great to see. Oh my goodness. Okay. I always work from the back and go to the front. I don't know why, because I'm weird. Rituals, preparing and caring for your cards. And then, yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spreads, guys. That's awesome. And then goddesses and their meanings. So really cool. There's a keyword there, the origin, and then a little bit about the card. Ooh, and it does look like it's going to be diverse. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into it. So here's the wonderful backing of the card, and that's fantastic. Super cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So they're long cards. They're not very wide, but they're long, and that's really neat. And I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because I know I'm going to mess it up. The cards, they're a little thin, but they're flexible. They seem to be snapping back really nicely. So I don't hate it. We'll see how they shuffle. But that is so gorgeous. Okay. She reminds me of Elsa. I'm sorry. I've been watching a lot of Frozen too. I know you guys are probably in the same boat, especially the parents out there. I'm so sorry. Gorgeous. Okay, so it does have the keyword there, which is fantastic. Very beginner friendly. Look at, so beautiful. I am in love with the artistry here. The art style. Very cool. Love it. Love everything about these. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I get really excited when like decks, I don't know, when I start to connect with the deck right away, I get really excited. So obviously I'm feeling really connected right here. So hopefully it's not too crazy for you guys to sit and listen to. Oh, all right, there's Merida. I'm so sorry. She just reminded me of Merida. I don't know if you guys know just how Disney obsessed I am. So it's pretty bad, but in the best of ways. These are beautiful, so diverse, so gorgeous. I love the writing on them. It's just beautiful. What a great little deck when you need some femininity in your life, in your readings. Gorgeous. They feel really good in your hand. They don't feel super cheap. They don't feel like they're gonna fall apart on you. They feel smooth. They glide just really nice. There's no weird gloss or crazy shininess to it. So they're perfect in the sense of if I'm trying to film, I know that I'm not gonna have weird reflections or fingerprints on the cards. They're very, very beautiful. I have to say, I'm just in love with the art style. I'm in love with the fact that it's very inclusive as far as, you know, diversity goes. And it has a lot of different goddesses from all over the world, which is fantastic. And there goes my dogs. So sorry. They hear the neighbor dogs, so, and you might be able to hear them as well. Very cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am absolutely in love with these, and I'm going to keep saying it. But it's just so vibrant, so fun, so positive. Like everything about it is just fun, and you just can't help but smile when look at these. That's just, I love it. That is really cool. Volcano. So what is your favorite goddess deck? What is your favorite oracle deck that you like to go to for your goddesses? I know there's a few of them out there. So let me know if this is on your list. Let me know if this is something that catches your eye, if you feel like you're drawn to it, because I didn't even know that this was even like going to come to fruition until like a month or two ago. And I saw it and I was like, that is going on the list to buy. That looks so fun. I believe there is a book that goes along with this, like a All About the Goddesses book by the same Ann Shen. So look that up too if this is something that you're interested in. It will apparently talk about the different goddesses a little bit more in depth, like almost like a fun children's book. I believe that's what I saw. I could be wrong. But let's see how it shuffles. Whoop. So it's a little bit longer, so it's going to be a little bit more awkward just because I have a little bit smaller of hands. So doing it this way might be a little awkward, but doable. And they shuffle really, they're really nice. They're not too thin. Yeah, you can shuffle from both ways. But yeah, my hands are not the biggest or the longest, so they're gonna have a difficult time trying to deal with the longer cards, but that's just fine. Okay, so I love these, by the way, if you couldn't tell. And we're gonna look at Yamaha. Oh my God, I'm so bad. We're gonna take a look at her because she's the one that popped out. And it looks like it is in alphabetical order. So that is a Y, I believe, right? Yes. So it says release. So origin is Yoruba. Surrender your weary thoughts to Yemoha. Okay. And she will carry them away for you. Connect with the loving spirit she's washing over you right now and feel nurtured when you release what isn't working for you. Super cute. I'm absolutely in love with this. So I love that there's an origin. I love that there's a keyword, and I love that there's a little paragraph about it. It's just enough. So it's very beginner friendly. It's just enough to, help with your intuition. You have the spreads here to get a little bit deeper into the cards and into your readings. And yeah, it's a great little travel deck too, because it all folds up really nicely into the little box there. Shuffles great. You know, it's a little thin of a card, but you know what? How much was it? It was only $16.95. So $16.95 for a beautifully illustrated deck with a wonderful little box. It's got just enough information for you. I think it's well worth the price. It's diverse, it's genius, I feel. I think a lot of people will be able to appreciate this deck, to use this deck for multiple things. Yeah, I don't hate it at all. I absolutely love it. I'm excited to start using it. And let me know what you guys think. If this is something that you're excited about, if it's on your list to buy, if it's, you know, something that lights you up, because I just cannot stop smiling with how beautiful it is. It's fantastic. I'm excited. And I really want to know what you guys think about it. So let me know down in the comments. And again, what's your favorite goddess deck that you've used? And if this is going to come into the top spot for your goddess deck. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. And don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell on your way out of this video. All right, guys. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.